Let's just try and hear that noise again. Sitting out the back with the dogs. There's a possum. I often wondered about that noise they make. Can't make it again, you bugger. It's not going to. Knows I'm videoing. Yeah? I've already said to the dogs, be wary. It can be a little nasty. Bite you and even scratch you. I think that's a dog. But yeah, the thing's not going to make a bloody noise now. It was making all this noise. And I've often wondered, is it like a mating call, or is it that, the noise I mean, whatever it is they do. It's a little high-pitched or whatever. But what the fuck do they do that for, actually? Is it a mating call? Is it, I'm fucking hungry? Is it just sit there irritated about something? I don't know. I've never Googled it. Maybe I should Google it and find out. These are just things that pop into my head sometimes. I was sitting here talking to the dogs and sort of just said to him, I don't know why they make that noise, but yeah, bugger's gone dead quiet now. Just when I wanted, for those that haven't heard it, there's probably people out there that have never heard the possums do that noise. Dogs whinging. No noise from the possum now. Did you fucking hear that? He did it. Ha! What is that? Is that in? I am pissed. There he goes. Fucking hell. He thought I was getting off, see? He was holding out. And anyway, there you go. Why the fuck do they do that? Google it. Yep. And we got them all starting up now. That's one of those scavenger birds, I think. I don't know. Anyway, there we go. That's not a handy hint. That was just sort of like something I was sitting there questioning, and great, I caught him on there. I hope you heard it. But anyway, have a great night. I'm a little strange like that. That's how I amuse myself. Bye.